Shit, I got something in my eye. What the hell? Find the drugs. Uh-oh. Aaron, you going right? All the way? I'm gonna left first. I'm not stressed either. I've been dying all day. Come on. Yeah.
See you, bud.
You as well, bro.
Oh yeah, Bus Depot 1! Bus Depot 1! Moving over, moving over. Watch out, right here, first building! First building, first building, first building. Oh, I'll see you back in a sec.
Left. Can I run around the building?
Sorry, Cole!
So, no, it's not in the middle building, so it's either on the first building or was the last one?
I've checked all of left side, can't see nothing.
It's not all right.
I think it's in the middle.
I checked. All right. I'll check it again.
Alright, hold on. I'm on you, Cole. I'm on you, Cole.
When you cross, 112. All right, no, I'm not trying to slow.
You're good. Reloading.
Hey, try to cross on the spawn. It's like a fence looking thing. Right here. Yeah, we got some more.
You want the candy shop?
Huh?
Watch candy shop.
Okay.
That little blind right there.
Still there, he's in the black suit.
Let's run it.
Yo, hold the stuff back down.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, dog. Who fucking shot me from over here, though? Sorry, bro. Nice shot.
Where's gun? It fucking hurts.
Oh, fuck. Nice hit, dude. Oh. Get up there, get up there. Let's go check those rooms. Find the drug. Cole, come right with me. Cole. Punch man! Friendly, dude. Let's go, Aaron. Nice work, dog.